have a brand new style from Main Attraction to show you. This is an affordable basic cap synthetic wig. Her name is 𝘕𝘔, and I have her in the brand new color Coconut. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm so thrilled to be bringing you this new release from Main Attraction. I'm a huge fan of the brand Main Attraction, and I do love that they carry more affordable styles for sure. And this color is so gorgeous. If you are into more of white, the white end of the gray spectrum, and we will talk about color toward the end of the video. I will put a link in the description where you can find this wig if you want to go check her out. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. So, like I said, this is a basic cap, also known as a machine-made cap. There's no lace front, no mono features at all, and because of the length, this wig is going to last probably years. I think you are absolutely going to get your money's worth out of a style like this. So if you like short styles, you don't mind the fact that there are no cap features on this one, then this one is really darling. This does have regular synthetic fibers, is made with regular synthetic fibers. Actually, I don't think Main Attraction has any heat-friendly wigs, so they're all regular synthetic fibers, and that's inside the cap, so you can see. I can't tell, am I focused? So strange. I think it's because this is so light. It's having a little bit of a hard time picking up detail. We've got an extended open nape, and then we do have Velcro adjusters, open ear tabs as well, and then all of that is open wefted. So a lot of open wefting on this one. I would say though that this is actually a higher density piece. It definitely feels like it has quite a bit of hair, and we have got Permatease all throughout this cap. Now, nothing poofy or pillowy back here. I do feel a little bit of poofy Permatease right on the very top, especially right here. But it's actually, excuse me, a really well done amount of Permatease. It doesn't have, in my opinion, an excessive amount. I've had wigs with a lot more Permatease than this one has, but it does have traditional Permatease, so do keep that in mind. If you are unsure if you would like a wig with Permatease, excuse me, maybe you haven't tried a basic cap wig before, I always like to recommend getting a few of these cloth covered headbands because they will really help a lot, especially early on in your wig journey. If you are struggling with volume on a wig, you can throw a headband on, and that is really going to tamp down that volume, and it's actually going to create an optical illusion with your eyes so that it doesn't look like the wig has so much hair. Look at what a difference that made. I tucked the side hair behind my ears, threw on the headband, and just sort of smoothed it out, and now suddenly this looks like a completely different style, and it doesn't have all the volume that it had before I did this. And I like to talk about this because I know that the beginning of the wig journey is really challenging, and there's a lot of things we don't know and we don't understand, and so having some tricks up your sleeve, some styling tools will really go a long way in helping you to be more comfortable with your wig journey. And I took the headband off but kept it tucked and smooth so that you can see that you can also smooth it out without having to put an accessory in. But it's just in how you play with the hair and how you mess it up. You can use some styling cream to really piece it out, you know, play up the length on the sides. I just think it's going to give you a lot of flexibility, and one of the challenges with wigs is sometimes we feel like we have to wear them exactly as they come out of the box. But that isn't true. You can do whatever you'd like with them, and so styling them up can sometimes really help you to feel a little more normal in your wigs when you're new to the journey. Let's talk about fit. Main Attraction is known for running really true to average. I am getting a little bit of extra cap up here, but not a ton. And I would say it is pretty big around my circumference. So I'm gonna cinch it all the way in, and then I can kind of tell you, I have a 21, yeah, that's so much better. 21¼ circumference. I have what's considered more of an average petite head measurement, and I would have to wear a wig grip with this in order for it to feel secure on my head. So I definitely think it's true to average with lots of stretch. So you can be a fair amount bigger than I am on my measurements, which you will find in the description box below, and have this fit you. All right, let's talk about this color, coconut. This is described as an off-white. And with the glare, it's really hard to have this come across. I will get outside. The outdoor light will make it a little bit easier to see this color. I would say it's a very natural whitish gray. There's no rooting. There's no low lights. This is not a fashion color. It is absolutely that kind of whitish, silvery gray, leaning way more toward white, but it's really natural looking. It doesn't look like paper white, if you know what I mean. You know, you take a piece of paper and the paper can look, if you get a wig this color, it can look a little fake. This looks really natural. Really, really natural. I love this color. Honestly, I wish I had the confidence to wear grays, because I actually might attempt to wear a wig like this, because I just think this is such a fun color. It's that kind of silvery gray that a lot of people wish their hair would gray. That's the gray that their hair would take on. I don't think I would get that lucky, but it's really gorgeous. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you guys soon. Here you are. This is directly overhead, direct sunlight, no clouds. Here you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.